Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I would like to present the research methodology based on the topic of the concept of teaching based on Malay manuscript, transliteration and analysis of selected text from Kitab Pengajaran. Before that, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Nur Alia Syairah binti Manawi and my matric number 1181696. Research objective. Based on this topic, the research objective is the first to determine the MSS Malay B13 codicological in terms of its source, authorship and content. The second of research objective is to provide the transliteration of selected text from Malay manuscript, which is Kitab Pengajaran. And the third of research objective is to analyze the concept of teaching based on Malay manuscript from Kitab Pengajaran. Next is research question. Based on this topic, the first of research question is what is the codicological of MSS Malay B13 in terms of source, authorship and content. The second of research question is what is the content of the transliteration which is based on selected text from Kitab Pengajaran. And the last of research question is what is the concept of teaching based on Malay manuscript from Kitab Pengajaran. Next is problem statement. The problem statement of this proposal is the significance of human education beginning at young age in molding valuable individuals in the future, particularly in the practice of moral value in daily life. This analysis of Kitab Pengajaran is highly intriguing and sweet to be researched in order to present a clear image of inhabit of the archipelago's way of thinking. In particularly when it comes to human conduct and speech associated with trivial in life based on the content of manuscript. The purpose of this investigate transliteration of Kitab Pengajaran because of the archipelago's community spirit in teaching and moral standard that are different with the community's current way of existence. Next is research gap. In previous research on moral values, the researcher discovered an apparent knowledge gap. Furthermore, previous research did not cover the topic of the concept of teaching based on Malay manuscript transliteration and analysis. This includes a number of previously undiscovered dimensions that have recently piqued the interest of researchers in various fields. The concept of teaching should be investigated further in order to understand why this is not the case in today's culture. Next is methodology. The qualitative research design has been used in this research, which is the content analysis. In general purpose, the researchers will collect data based on content analysis and draw conclusions based on that analysis. In generally, this manuscript is a creative effort on the subject of Islam ethics, education in the conduct of life. The second is sample. A transliteration based on selected text from Kitab Pengajaran has been used in the sample of this research. Method of data collection. In terms of data collection method based on document analysis, this research started with a manuscript inventory, followed by continual metadata observation via the British Library website. The manuscript can be viewed in its whole and its entirety on the British Library website as a digital document. The next is data analysis. Thematic analysis and descriptive analysis were used in order to analyze data from Kitab Pengajaran based on MSS Malay B13 for a more in-depth look at this research. Tools of analysis. The researchers of this study relies on books, theses, journals, scientific studies, and anything else linked to the issue of this analysis. That's all from me. Thank you.